Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to add and manage blood donors, capturing each donor's details so your records stay complete and easy to draw on when you need them. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Blood Bank and click it to open the Blood Bank dropdown. Now select Donors to view your list of registered blood donors. This opens the full donor management area, where you can review existing donors and add new ones. Click here to add a new donor. A registration form opens, ready for you to fill in their personal and physical details. Start with the donor's core details, their full name, email, and contact number. These are how you'll identify and reach the donor, so double-check the email and phone number are correct. Next, choose the donor's gender. Then open the date picker and set their date of birth. Accurate age matters here, since it ties back to the eligibility rules you set earlier. Now fill in the donor's weight in kilograms and height in centimeters. These figures confirm the donor meets your donation criteria at a glance. Then enter the donor's address. Their city or location is enough to keep your records traceable. Now click Create to save the donor. Their record is added to your list straight away. And that's a wrap on donors. You've just learned how to add a blood donor and save their information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your blood bank system.